Hello and welcome to eToll-Free. In today's video, we are going to go a bit deeper in what the user levels are for and the importance of the admin interface options. Now that we created the user ID, we need to know the importance of these levels. Let's take a look at this example. I have set this to user level 1, which basically means allowing the user to log into the agent interface options. This user, however, cannot log into the administration page. Now if I set this user to a level 2, it means I am allowing this user to accept inbound calls, or would like to make the user a closer, or second-tier agent. This user can accept inbound or agent direct calls only, but not the outbound dialed calls. For users who need to have an access to the administration page, they need to be a level 8 or 9. Now that you have determined the user's access level, let's dive a bit further to the admin interface options. What is the admin interface option? For administration users on level 8 or 9, these options allow the users to view or modify the settings in the administration interface. These settings are real-time, meaning that a manager can immediately use a new feature as soon as the feature has been enabled for their user record. The user just needs to refresh the screen after the changes. You have to be careful in selecting which access you want the users to have. The circle with question mark next to each field will be helpful in this case, to know what access you are granting the user. Let's take this user as an example. Let's say, I want this user to have access to administration, and view only the real-time report to monitor the agents. To get this done, first make sure the user is set to at least a level 8, then go to Admin Interface option, and choose 1 in the drop-down for View Reports. Enabling View Report only means the user will not be able to see or access any of the other menu options in eDialer. Here's another example. Let's say this user should have access to download the reports and upload leads, but prevent from downloading any of the lead list. To get this done, choose a user level 8 for the user, then under Admin Interface option, choose 1 for View Reports in the drop-down, 1 for Load Leads, and 1 for Modify Lists, then keep the rest of the settings to 0. Then, save changes. For our final example, let's say you want this user to be an agent user only. Then, select Level 1. And everything under Admin Interface options deactivated. For any other eDialer concerns, feel free to go to our website, www.etollfree.net, and click the chat support icon, located at the bottom right of the web page. Our friendly eToll-Free customer support representatives are ready to help from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. If you need to send a ticket after office hours, not a problem. Email us at support@etollfree.net, and someone from eToll-Free support will reach out to you as soon as possible.